Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you what I've been doing in my garden. Even though I've got an allotment, I still grow a few bits at home because it's nice to have a few bits to hand. Plus, the allotment is really open, so the frost is going to be there for much longer, whereas at home it's more sheltered, so I can get a few things started here early. So if you want to take a look at what I've been doing today, I've just been digging over this little patch down here. Now, a lot of people would have just dug a lot of things up from last year, but some things you can actually get some more food off of them before the other stuff goes in. So which means that obviously it's free and you're not using plastic, and that's pretty awesome, I think. So two of those things are parsley, which sometimes the frost kills it and it's not still there. I've just pulled off all the dead leaves all around the outside, and I'm going to have plenty of parsley that I can be using. The other thing is wild rocket. So as you can see, this one over here is all woody and gnarly looking, but what I've done with this one is I've cut it all back nice and neatly, and as you can see, these lovely leaves here will be perfectly good in salads. So I also found some spring onions, which I hadn't found before, which is pretty awesome, I think. So I'm going to show you some other things I've been sowing as well over the other side of the garden in a minute as well, so I'll show you that at the end. So if we move over, I've got some herbs that are still here, which I've obviously dug round, I've tidied up, and I've got some thyme there, and I've got some marjoram there as well. So I think my chickens are talking to you today. They're quite excited. There's a bit more noise going on in the garden than there normally is. So if we move over to the summer house. So I start off most of my seeds in a propagator, and then they go in the conservatory. So my greenhouse isn't warm enough because it's not heated, so it's kind of like the last place everything goes, but kind of like middle ground is my summer house. Because it's really, really warm in here, it's probably the warmest part, even warmer than my house sometimes. I put a few things in here to bring them on a little bit, and I like to have early salad leaves. So one of the things I've planted in some little tubs here, I've got some chard, which I shall pick as more for salad, and maybe I will stir fry them. I've put some lettuces in there. I've also got some pea shoots and some kale. So the reason they grow better in the summer house is because it's single paned. You know, plants don't really like being in a house where you've got double glazing, but unfortunately some of the things I'll have to keep in there because I haven't got anywhere else to put them at the moment. But hopefully, and you'll see these in a few weeks, they're going to really come on and I can start picking them, which is brilliant. But in the meantime, I've still got some rocket over there, so I've still got something to put with my salads. So I really hope that this has been helpful to you, and it might inspire you to get some things started early. And if you could subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more, and like and comment and tell me what you think and what you'd like me to do in future posts.